Today, we have to talk about something very important. Gravy. That's right, gravy. That thing that makes everything so much better. And ever since I went plant-based, I've had a lot of trouble making a really good gravy because the ingredients that make a gravy really, really good are not really part of a plant-based diet anymore. So I have come up with a way to make an amazing gravy without any of those things.
And add hot water to the mushrooms. We're hydrating and extracting at the same time. After about, half an hour or so of the mushrooms sitting in the broth, I want to get a pan to medium-low heat and put about a tablespoon of vegan butter, well, maybe just a touch more than a tablespoon in there, and get that melting. To that pan, I'm gonna add an equal amount of flour, maybe even just a touch more than that much flour. I always find it works a little better. Something like that. For those of you curious, yes, we're making a roux. And now we whisk. It always looks nasty, then it looks better. I don't know why that is. Somebody probably knows the answer. See, it's all clumpy now. Give it a minute, it'll loosen up. And, you know, just like everybody says, you want to cook this for a minute or two to get rid of the cereal-y taste. That's what they all say. So we're going with it. Okay, once that's cooked for a couple of minutes, grab a strainer, get your mushrooms, and dump them through the strainer right into the pan. These mushrooms are really, really, really good. If you want, you can chop them up real fine and throw them into the gravy. I'm not going to today. I'm gonna keep it separate. And then whisk this up. You wanna break up those clumps. Once I have that all broken up, what I like to do is just add a little bit of veggie broth. I feel the mushroom stock alone is just a little bit too strong of a flavor, so I like to do that. And we're gonna add some black pepper. Okay, a lot of black pepper. And then we're going to turn the heat up. I'm gonna put mine to like 7. And I'm gonna keep stirring this. What's going to happen now is the starch is gonna basically bloom. It's gonna start to expand and collect water, hang on to water. I don't know, there's all this science that goes into it. It thickens the gravy, okay? That's what it does. So you wanna keep an eye on this, because if you walk away, you're gonna have gloopy, burnt stuff in your pan, not lovely, velvety gravy. Okay, so as you can see, we got some bubblage going on here. It should be starting to thicken any second. It should get nice and velvety. That's what you're looking for. It also thickens as it cools. I mean, really, this is just a basic traditional gravy made the way Grandma did, just plant-based and flavorful.